Hello, Longisa. I just want to follow up on my last videos about the grape that I see along the street. When I was drying, I was right here. And look, it's so much now. And there are a lot of seed. And then they are so sweet, but too much seed. And nobody picked them. I don't know what happened. Why nobody picking them? I don't know. What is this? All QR code stations, flexible. Let's take a look closer. I don't think anybody eat them because they all dry. Oh my goodness. They're not seedless. They are good, but they're not seedless. Oh yeah. How pretty are they? They're blue and not a seedless grape. And they do have water right there to water them. If they are seedless, it would be so nice. But unfortunately, no, they're not seedless. It's a lot. Behind is a beautiful gated house. And then you go all the way up here. Mall over there. Right there, you guys could see it. Whoa, it's so pretty. It's so a lot. But yeah, I don't think anybody wanna eat them since it's like how you call it? It's so many seeds. Look at that. So many grapes. มันกันไหนช้ามตายอ่ะso sweet, so good, but it's not seedless. I wish it's seedless. Look at this side, both sides. Ooh, look at that. They're not too big, they're not too small. They're so sweet, but they are not seedless. You see the seed? I'm just happy that I'm over here looking at this stuff that I like. This stuff entertains me. I love it. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's not seedless. But you're just happy that you come and look and look and look. Look how thick they are. Are they like a white grape? Maybe. Ow, ow. Ooh, I come here with sandal only. And I'm stepping on the, how you call it in English? So sweet, so good, but it's so much seed. I don't think people want to eat this. Maybe this is for sweet wine. Look at that, so much. Every single one have. And I think this is the water. For water. Mà cái này, xăm con rùi cái này. Nó nuôi tao mình dầu tiêu phải là. Oh, giant family right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Blue. Is this blue or purple or dark color or black? Okay, I need to stop walking because I get poked everywhere. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Appreciate it. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day. Have a good blessing day. Happy day. Dancing Ngũ Màng Ồ. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you guys next time on the next video.